we decided to stop by to Kefar Kabad. It was a replica of the famed Lubavitch quarters in Brooklyn, New York. A little bit of light dispels a lot of darkness, wrote Shanur Zalman of Liadi, the first Kabad Lubavitch rabbi. The monastery of St. Georgios, which is located in the old city center, was originally built in the 12th century and serves today as the spiritual center of Ramla's Greek Orthodox community.
Going to Ramla market. We are in Ramla market. Buying plants.
Ramla's market is one of the country's most colorful, vibrant, and beautiful markets. It was built towards the end of the Ottoman period and has been in existence for more than 100 years.
Wow!
איזה פרח את רוצה?
רציתי את זה. זה יפה בפנים.
כן.
זה לא 30 אבל? כמה?
50.
50?
We are now in Franciscan Monastery and School of Saint Nicodemus. In 1799, the Napoleon stay here for a few days in his way to the Acre.
Napoleon Bonaparte was a French military leader and emperor who conquered much of Europe in the early 19th century. In the adjacent hospice, Napoleon Bonaparte was hosted during his attempted conquest of the Holy Land in 1799. It has been said that he shot the muezzin of the nearby mosque who disturbed his sleep. The room he stayed in is closed to visitors.
Hi! It's so pretty here. The way, it's like going to the Nazareth.
Ta-da! You need to wear mask! So now we are in Franciscan Church of Saint Nicodemus and Joseph of Arimathea. And you know that Joseph of Arimathea is also in the Bible. Joseph of Arimathea, or Joseph of Ramatayim, is a rich man and a prominent member of the Sanhedrin. He was a secret disciple of Yeshua. He approached Pontius Pilate and asked for his permission to take the body of Yeshua down from the cross and bury it before Shabbat begins. Joseph and Nicodemus carried the body to the tomb and prepared it with 75 pounds of spices, which Nicodemus donated. They wrap it with linen and they place it in the new tomb cut out of the rock that Joseph owned. So beautiful. Inside the church, you can see an important painting created by the Italian Renaissance master Titian or Tiziano, entitled Jesus is Taken Off the Cross, which was donated to the church by the city of Madrid in 1846. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you again on my next vlog.